The only thing we have to fear is fear itself, is a famous quote from Franklin D. Roosevelt's first inaugural address, delivered on March 4, 1933. At the time, the United States was in the depths of the Great Depression, a period marked by severe economic hardship, widespread unemployment, and a loss of public confidence. Roosevelt used this line to reassure the American people and to emphasize that their fear and panic were the greatest obstacles to recovery. By addressing the psychological impact of the crisis, Roosevelt aimed to inspire hope and encourage collective action to overcome the challenges facing the nation. The full context of the quote is as follows. So, first of all, let me assert my firm belief that the only thing we have to fear is fear itself. Nameless, unreasoning, unjustified terror, which paralyzes needed efforts to convert retreat into advance. This statement became one of the most iconic lines in American history, symbolizing resilience and courage in the face of adversity.
The only thing we have to fear is fear itself!